Welcome back to another EndNote support video from the Schaefer Library of Health Sciences. References imported from one database may have the full journal name in the journal field, such as shown here in the highlighted, while references from another database may have an abbreviated journal name, as shown here. An EndNote style can substitute a different name in the formatted bibliography, for example, either the full journal name or the abbreviation, if you set up a journal's terms list for the library. The journal's term list acts as a lookup list for the different versions of the name. You may also need to set your output style to work with the journal's term list if it is not already set to do so. To begin, select Library tab, then open Terms List, and select Journals term. If there are journals already present in the terms list, you will need to delete the current list, as some of them may have names in the wrong columns. To do this, select All, and you can do that by selecting one and hitting Control-A to select all, and then click the Delete Term button. This may take a moment. Once the journals have been deleted, now click on the List tab. Click on the Import List button and select the category or field of study that you wish to import in. For us, it will be medical. Click Open, and you'll see that a pop-up window will show how many journal terms list names have been inserted. Click OK. Now click the Terms tab. You will now see a list of full journal names and their matching abbreviations in the correct columns. Close the Term Lists window. Open the Style Manager by selecting the Tools tab, then Output Styles, then Open Style Manager. Find the style you wish to use, highlight that style, and then click the Edit button to open it for editing. Select the journal's names options on the left side. If the style is already set to something other than Don't Replace, as the JAMA style is here, it is already set to use the journal's terms list, and you can close the style without making any changes. So now let's select another style. So I have already edited a style, and I called it Vancouver Copy. So I'm going to select that one. Click the Edit button, and then select Journal Names on the left side. And notice that this one says Don't Replace. So if the style is set to Don't Replace, as the Vancouver Copy style is here, select the journal name options you prefer. So let's change it to Use Full Journal Name. And then save the style by selecting the File tab for this pop-up window, and then clicking on Save As. Rename the modified style with a new name. I could call this Vancouver Journal Name. Revised. And then save. The new style will automatically be saved to an EndNote folder in your Documents folder. Close the Style Editing window and the Style Manager. Notice the two references that I had previously. So when I take the abbreviated reference and I change the style to my new revised Vancouver Journal Name Revised, you'll notice that I have the full spelling, the full journal title. If I was to change this to JAMA Copy, and I can do that by going up to select another style, finding my style, and then choosing it. And I already have JAMA listed in here. You'll notice that now it is abbreviated. Here are a few key takeaways from Journal Names, How to Set Up Journal's Term List.